Yes, Neha, you can carry on.
Okay. So my background was electrical. I completed my B in electrical and also the MTech from electrical only. So I was actually preparing for the government exams, but in my field I didn't found a lot of means much of the opportunities, and so I thought of means to switch to the IT field, and then I came across Vision IT. So one of my friends suggested me, and yeah, I one means I get to know about Vision IT. So I visited the institute, and the first day only, there was Ravi sir and the seniors, all of the crowd. So I found the environment very friendly and the learning, helping each other.
नेहा बिना
So
बात तारीफ की जरूरत नहीं, हाँ मतलब speak up
so
your mind. Okay, just kidding, just kidding.
yeah,
Carry on,
sir.
sorry.
But yeah. So Akash sir was there. So I joined class while after looking Akash sir only. He introduced to the team, and he was very cooperative and friendly. So that was one of the reason. And so I will share my experience about about the company in which I got placed. So इसका इंटरव्यू मैंने एक मंथ 1 मंथ पहले दिया था. उसमें मतलब फर्स्टली उन्होंने कोड करने के लिए दिया था मुझे. जस्ट डायल पे 4 to 5 सिनेरियोज दिए थे. वो 3 hours में ऑटोमेट करके उनको देना था. उसके बाद फर्स्ट राउंड हुआ, सेकंड राउंड हुआ, मीन्स 2 राउंड्स तो एक ही दिन में हो गए थे मेरे. एंड उसके बाद क्लाइंट राउंड था. सो क्लाइंट राउंड में मतलब उन्होंने रिजेक्ट किया था मुझे, बट द इंटरनल टीम को परफॉर्मेंस पसंद आया था, तो उन लोगों ने होल्ड पे रखा था. तो उसके बाद मतलब आफ्टर 1 month दे कॉल्ड मी एंड मीन्स टोल्ड मी दैट दे आर इंटरेस्टेड एंड asked me about that am I interested or not. So I said yes in these situations like
Right.
COVID. So and
So
yeah.
basically उनको बाद में अपनी गलती का एहसास हुआ that they are losing a star, right? Right. So this guys,
Yes.
this happens a lot. I mean, sometimes you give an interview, and sometimes it so happens that for at least 1 month, 2 months, they put you on hold due to a lot of constraints. Budget constraints. Clients sometimes likes you, but then they themselves have budget constraints, budget issues all of a sudden. So uh, so Neha, in my opinion, it might not be that the client rejected you. It might be something that client said we don't have a budget. And being a client, I'm working in MNC, which we act as a client, and we do this all the time. We ask our vendor companies to provide us resources. They give us resources. We interview them, and then we say we can't go ahead because we don't have a budget. So we do this all the time, and it is very common scenario which happens.
Okay,
This is just
sir.
for information I'm telling, for not only for you, Neha, for everyone. Sometimes you feel demotivated, you feel okay, I didn't get I got rejected, right? Sometimes they straight away reject you, then that case, of course, it's a rejection. But sometimes they say, okay, your profile is on hold. So that sometimes really means that they're looking for maybe someone better than you. If they find it, they will hire that person. Or sometimes you are the better person, but there is a budget constraint. That also the reason people put you on hold. Sorry to steal the session from you, Neha. Carry on,
No,
please.
no, sir. So, so what should I say further?
So okay, next could be, uh, what did you really do in past 2 months? How did you prepare? What was the process you followed? What did you think helped you most? Like presentations, perhaps mock interviews. So
Yeah.
what was your overall experience around that?
So presentations and mock interviews तो मतलब इंस्टीट्यूट में ही प्रैक्टिस बहुत ज़्यादा हो गई थी, तो उसका बेनिफिट रहा है। और जो अभी कोविड के वजह से सिचुएशन थी, कॉल्स आना बहुत कम हो गए थे। मतलब मुझे तो इन 1 मंथ एक ही कॉल, एक वगैरह ऐसे ही कॉल आते थे, और वो भी अपॉर्चुनिटी ऐसे मिस हो जाती थी सिली मिस्टेक्स की वजह से वो लोग। फिर तो उसमें उसकी वजह से भी डीमोटिवेशन बहुत होता था बीच बीच में, एंड कम्युनिकेशन भी बहुत कम होता था। सो थोड़ा मैनेज करना यही टफ था, बट ड्यू टू ऑनलाइन सेशंस थोड़ी कनेक्टिविटी मेंटेन रही, थोड़ा कंसिस्टेंट रखा खुद को।
Right.
एंड या मीन्स मॉक इंटरव्यूज वगैरह बहुत हेल्प किए। और मतलब इंटरव्यूज दिए मैंने, पर उस बात का ऐसे थोड़ा भी मुझे रिग्रेट नहीं होता कि इतने सारे इंटरव्यूज दिए ये वो वगैरह, बिकॉज ईच पासिंग इंटरव्यूज आई आई गॉट टू लर्न लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स। मीन्स नई
Exactly.
नई
Yeah.
नई चीजें पता चलने लगी, फिर उनको इम्प्लीमेंट करना। फिर तो ये सब बातें रही। और या
So Neha, Yadnesh is asking, is interview more technical or communication skill is more required or communication based?
both.
Hmm.
Means they will judge you anyway, means from communication, your quality of the answer, clarity of the answer, then technical skills. And in the recent interview I found that they are more focused on Java, means Java programs। एंड जावा पर तो बहुत क्वेश्चन होते हैं सर। मतलब अच्छी कंपनीज में तो फर्स्ट राउंड में पहले जावा का ही पूछेंगे, वो पूरा 1 आवर वो प्रोग्राम्स लिखने के लिए बोलेंगे। कुछ प्रोग्राम्स वो खुद शेयर करेंगे और उनका आउटपुट पूछेंगे। तो और जावा पे तो बहुत कंफ्यूज करते हैं। मतलब और वो भी देखते हैं कि एक इंटरव्यू मेरा ऐसा भी हुआ कि मतलब इतना कंफ्यूज कर रहे थे कि ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे। फिर क्लास के अंदर इंटरफेस ये वो,
Mm-hmm.
आई आंसर्ड देम करेक्टली, बट ही वाज कंफ्यूजिंग लाइक एनीथिंग।
Mm.
सो आफ्टर द इंटरव्यू आई थॉट इसका तो कॉल आएगा ही नहीं मतलब। so but I checked my answer after that, means एक एक करके देखा मैंने, and I answered them correctly. So I found this strategy that they were confusing,
Mm.
and they were judging that I whether I means मैं panic हो रही हूँ ये वो, but दूसरी दिन उनका कॉल आ गया था फिर।
Right.
तो ऐसा भी होता है। मतलब वो बहुत कंफ्यूज करेंगे आपको, पर अगर आप कॉन्फिडेंट हो तो वही आंसर दो, कंफ्यूज होना नहीं है ऐसे। और
Right.
मतलब
Right.
कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स भी देखेंगे, सब देखते हैं सब।
Right. So just to add on to what Neha said, so I mean, you have to be very good on technical. You cannot break or crack an interview just by your communication skills. So communication skills are, good to have. If you are good in communication skills, maybe you will get it faster. Uh, but that doesn't mean that if you are not good in communication skills, then you will never get placed. That's a point I'm trying to make here. Maybe it might take some more time because all it takes is a practice. Practice what you do in your laptop.
Yes.
And second level of practice is the way, how much more interviews you are exposed to. The more interviews you give, and maybe in the first interview you will kind of completely destroy yourself, right? But in the second you will learn the experience of the first interview. Then in the third you will learn the experience of the first and second. And the more interviews you give, the more the chances of you cracking or giving the right answers with the right communication skills, with the right technical skills, will be higher. So for example, Neha, how many interviews you have given so far?
I don't know exact number, but yeah, I have given a lot of them.
Yeah, right. So any rough figure, 10, 5, 10, 20, 30, any rough figure?
Around I think 10 to 15।
All
एंड
right.
सीरियस वन मीन्स पहले कैसे होता था सर, जैसे जब मैंने रिज्यूमे अपलोड किया था नौकरी पे, तब मतलब मार्च था, मार्च एंडिंग, तो उस वक्त कोरोना आ गया था,
वो
तो
भी मैंने
उस
कितना
वक्त
पीछे
कैसे,
पढ़ के करवाया था, कोई करने को तैयार नहीं हो रहा था।
हाँ सर,
सर 2 हफ्ते
पर
और
एक्चुअली
लगेगा।
वो बहुत मतलब फायदेमंद रहा मेरे लिए तो एटलीस्ट।
हम्म,
मतलब कैसे पहले ही एक्सपोज हो जाते हो तो आपको इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस पता चलते हैं, कंपनी क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रही है आपसे वो सब पता चल जाता है। आपका प्रिपरेशन भले ना हो पर आप उस हिसाब से प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो।
एग्जैक्टली।
तो हाँ, और वो आपने बहुत इंसिस्ट किया था, उस वक्त समझ नहीं
मैंने
आया पर अब समझ आता है।
मैंने लिटरली हाथ जोड़े थे, मुझे याद है।
हाँ।
हर हफ्ते आके मैं हाथ जोड़ता था, प्लीज 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 डोंट बी स्केर्ड,
हाँ।
डोंट बी स्केर्ड, जंप ऑन टू द ओशियन। क्योंकि दिस इज ऑल्सो आई यूज्ड टू से, एंड स्टिल आई लाइक दिस फ्रेज, व्हिच इज you train to swim in a swimming pool, right? But if you're not jumping into the ocean, you will never realize the depth. I mean, the techniques which you learned in the swimming pool, it will always remain. You will always be a swimmer in swimming pool. You will never be a good swimmer in the ocean. So that's the reason you have to jump into the market as soon as possible, irrespective of how much training or how much stuff you know. Because उतना आप सीख ही नहीं सकते हो कि आप real learning really happens when you go and give a first interview. So
Yeah.
after first, second, third interview, you really will be really lot of things you will automatically learn. And then by each interview you learn, that's for sure. And our target is, so I might always, it's been a target for me always that in the first 5 interviews, you should crack the job. And that can only happen if you give at least 15 to 20 mocks before you jump into the market, which sometimes doesn't happen. So it's still people who are still still looking for or are in the market and looking for jobs. You should target at least 2 to 3 mock interviews per week. uh, Talk to me, tell me, I will arrange. Talk to each other, ask each of among yourself to take your interview rounds. That's the way forward, guys. I mean, you cannot just, it's not something which you can read from books. It is a practical stuff. You have to communicate, interact, and that's how you can proceed further. Anyway, I have some more questions here. So Ankita is asking, first and second round was technical round. Neha, it's for you. So first
Yeah.
and second both were technical. How many rounds were happened?
Sir, in that interview, firstly, I shared my code to them, and after that, I got feedback that it is really good. Means you taught us about the framework to build framework from scratch and all. So
Yeah.
I presented the code in a very well manner. पता नहीं वो टेस्ट केसेस चली कि नहीं बाद में, बट आई ट्राई टू शो ईच एंड एवरीथिंग लाइक डिपेंडेंसी इंजेक्शन and connection between the PO files, feature files, and step definition files, our reporting, and all those things. I presented them in a very well manner. So in the first round, they asked me about to explain my framework from each line, means how I made connection in between the files and all. So each and every line they asked me why you have put this, that. Sir, one of the question I just recalled, he asked me that we put in our framework Chrome file directly, so that we shouldn't have to write that system dot property and all.
Yeah.
So he asked me that how are you making connection, means how Chrome file will know launch the browser.
Mm-hmm.
So
Right.
how is it?
So you're asking me, or you're
Yeah,
suggesting
sir.
something? You're asking me?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So that is for some later time. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
okay,
There's a later time.
okay.
Okay. So next is last question, I think, on Ashutosh. Are they asked more basic? So
Yeah,
I will maybe answer that. So guys, see, uh, it's A B C D, all of them. It's not that you will do A, you will crack the interview. You will do B only, that you will crack the interview. A may be your Java, B may be your framework, C may be your Selenium, D may be your Cucumber, E may be your communication skills. We need to have a perfect blend of all of these. Maybe sometimes what happens, let's say A is weaker, B is strong. For example, A communication है, B आपका Java है. Let's say B stronger, A communication नहीं है उतना अच्छा, right? So what you can do is you can sometimes it's again your own skill कि how can you uh, bring B to compensate A? How can you bring B forth to compensate A? So अपनी Java skills आप इतना portray कर पा रहे हो सामने कि आपको communication skills somehow इतना matter नहीं कर रहा है, right? These situations also happen, right? Basically we need, the interview can ask anything. Interviewer is something like us, something like me, something like Sarang, someone who maybe someone like Neha, or maybe after 2 years Neha will start taking interviews for her own project or company, right? So जो भी आज इंटरव्यू ले रहे हैं, they were someone like us. They learned the way we learned. We are learning right now, and they can ask anything depending on, they want to check whether you have actually worked on or not. And the way we are trying to prepare is that we can kind of claim this, substantiate this claim that we are actually working, right? So for that it has to be holistic. It is not that कि ये कर लेता हूँ या वो कर लेता हूँ. It has to be everything. And the curriculum which we have, and don't worry, the curriculum which we have is going to be in the same direction, wherein we will say, okay, first we will do Java, so we did some basics of Java, then we are doing some basics of Selenium, then we'll do a framework, and while we do a framework, in that framework we'll use advanced concept implementation of Selenium as well as Java, right? But what you should not do is just focus on one thing, that Java is important and only learn Java. So problem क्या होगा, आप Java सीखते रहोगे, and eventually what will happen when you go to a company, they might ask framework, they might not even focus more on Java, right? In all likelihood Java will be asked, and you should have to have good understanding of Java, but that is not enough. Only doing Java is not enough. It is a perfect blend in itself which will get you a job. All right, and that really comes when you so when you actually work on a framework, on a library, because our purpose, and this is what I committed to you, that we are going to work on a framework, one or two framework at least. And even the people who, for example, batch 8 people, you guys have stopped. I'm not sure whether you guys are working on any project or not. You guys are just going through interview questions, but I would still insist that you should always spend at least 4 hours daily on your Eclipse. If you're not doing that, you will miss out somewhere, because that practical knowledge is more important than theoretical knowledge. And what right now when we talk about interviews perspective, we only work on theory. That is important, but practical aspect is also very, very important. All right. Okay. All right, guys. So I think we have spent around 30 minutes on it. So what I'm going to do is I have actually asked Neha to document her experience in a more formal way. This was just, she was very in a casual way she was speaking, but in a very formal way I've asked her to create a document. And I've also asked all the people who are going for interviews to record their interviews if they can. If somehow they couldn't, then at least they should have a list of questions which was being asked, right? So, and we are compiling we already have a lot of interview questions which our old students gave, but we have now again started compiling those new types of questions which are being asked recently. So that we are doing. Okay, and one last thing here is this is a post-COVID world, guys, and previously the way interviews used to happen is you go for interview face to face, they will ask questions, then you either crack it or you don't crack it. Now there's one more additional phase here. So first of all, they send you a scenario to do, and the way you do your scenario decides whether you're going to get subsequent calls or not. The way Neha did, right? Neha को पहले Java का उन्होंने just dial का एक scenario दिया था करने के लिए. She did that, and she did it in a very in a good way, in a good framework, structured way, and that's the reason she got the call back. Otherwise, you won't. That's the reason I'm saying you have to spend more time working on frameworks, because it's just not, for example, the code which you're seeing on my screen, it is doing the job. It's not structured. There's no assertion. There is no framework used. Everything is like raw. The code will work. You might think मुझे तो आता है Selenium, ये तो मैंने कर दिया, but you will not get the call because यहाँ से आपकी immaturity दिख रही है. This is an immature code. And if you say कि मुझे Selenium आता है, ये करने के बाद Selenium आ जाएगा, it's not true. You will not get a job. You will not get a call back. right? That's the reason I'm saying you have to continuously work on a framework continuously. For the batch 8 people, you have to again start working on a framework as soon as possible. And for you guys, Vision IT batch 9, right now it's basic, so not to worry, but we are going to start with the framework very soon, maybe in next 2-3 weeks. All right. Okay, guys. So we have spent some more time actually. So I have another agenda on mind. Let me just quickly start with it. So thank you, Neha. Thanks a lot, and congratulations to you once again. And
Thank you.
guys, if you have any questions to ask to her, you can personally give her a ping on WhatsApp. She's in the Vision IT Batch 9 group. I've added her temporarily on a temporary basis, and you can ping her. And I think that would be fine, right?
Yes, sir, sure.
Okay. So don't bug her too much. If anyone bugs you too much, Neha, you let me know. You block that person. Okay.
Yes.
All right. So just ask relevant questions, or if you want, you can pass that question to me. I will answer. All right. Okay. So next thing which I want to show you is a quiz. Let me just